Hey everyone, well we're here today. We're getting this shit ready to go for DJ. Now, you would have seen this video that we did for the Torana at DJ's farm ages ago. It was a pile of crap and it was all tossed in there. Now we're getting that ready to go. Now, these crazy bastards are going to try and drive it across another bore. Now, we've got Dan over here. He's doing the seats for Vision Trim Shop at the moment to go into the car. Okay, Dan, you're working away hard, mate. What the hell's going on?
DJ's what's going on.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure there's got to be a beer count to this, but I mean...
Oh, yeah, look, I was so tired, the beer count kind of paused last night, but so we've got to make up for that today.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we're probably up to nearly a carton or more now.
Oh, possibly, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, possibly. If you saw what we were working with, you'd, yeah.
You did get attacked by a few spiders last night.
There were spiders, yes, there were lots of spiders. You know, I was being grateful for the fact there was no mouse and rat poo, and then all of a sudden, spiders start coming out.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Yes. But anyway, it's all good.
That's it.
So, Paul, DJ, get into it. You're going to have to check these guys out. The journey's going to be epic.
Yeah, so Paul's from Old School Only.
That's right, New South Wales. Yep. And God only knows what possessed him to come over here, see DJ, grab a Torana that's been sitting in the bush for 30 years on its belly, and work on it for 3 weeks, and then drive it back to New South Wales. I mean...
It's a big job. It's a damn big job.
So anyway, I've been enlisted to give him something to sit on, because if he sat on what was in there, yeah, he'd have rusty springs up his arse the whole way. So we weren't going to let him do that. I think he's on an epic journey, so I wanted to support that. So here we are.
Awesome. Sounds like it's going to be fun, and we've got to get back into it because you got to get this shit done by Saturday.
Yeah, I've got to head out there tomorrow and fit a hood lining, fit a carpet, and fit all these seats.
All right, well...
Joy.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Everyone stay tuned, but hit up those channels and follow the build because it's going to be epic. Paul from Old School Only, DJ from Automotive Karnage, and down the shed with Byron, they're all working on that Torana, trying to get it ready to go. So, these guys are... these guys are fucking nuts in the head, but they're going to drive this car apparently all the way right across from WA to New South Wales. So look, for starters, check out the video that we'll put up in the link up here, and then head down to our description. We'll put all the links of all the YouTube channels in there, and go start watching it. They're going to start putting videos up as a Monday about the build, and watch this journey because it's going to be a big WA build. And to head over to New South Wales with the state of this car, which pretty sure if you saw it before and then you're going to see it afterwards, you would want to get a tetanus shot just for watching the fucking thing. But check it out and head to the channels, give them a like, share, subscribe, follow this build because it's going to be awesome and we're going to have heaps of fun fucking doing it. Awesome. See you guys.